I mean, that fast-moving nor'easter, it intensified rapidly overnight. It hit a slew of major cities just ahead of or during the morning commute.
And as it moves up the coast now and through to the northeast, it has already left up to 8 inches of snow in some areas.
Okay, well, we got some snow. About time.
I'm not going.
Hey, buddy.
I don't think you should go either.
What happened?
I just wiped out twice.
Yeah? Alright guys, let's make this happen. This is supposed to be a fun snow video, but I feel like it's going to be us trying not to wipe out. Ryan said he crashed 2 times on the way over to my house, which is like a mile distance. Definitely got to walk out of the snowbank.
Yeah, because you can't ride it, bitch.
Well, not in 4 inches of snow.
Oh, yeah.
Ugh. Alright. It's very sticky snow. Alright, we're doing this. Well, it's beautiful out, but definitely slick. Oh shit, we got a plow coming.
Huh?
We might have to move. Yeah. Stay on the left side.
Almost like that again.
Are you really sliding that much?
Yeah, look.
I didn't slide at all. Hey, let's go. They want us to move. Okay, well the Onyx is having a lot of difficulty with grip that I'm not having.
Oh, there he is.
There. Did he slide again?
Well, he fishtailed it when he
Yeah, that's what he kept doing.
If you fishtailed it a lot?
Yeah.
That means he has no traction there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is pitifully slow.
I know.
Come on, Captain Slow!
He's so bad. Okay, this is where we leave the Onyx behind. His slick road tires are no match for the snow. He keeps fishtailing. He has no traction. I, on the other hand, I have a supermoto tire. I don't weigh as much, and I didn't slip once. So we're gonna push our luck and ride in potentially some deep snow. Okay, so there's some potential off-roading we can do here. There's an athletic field that's definitely not plowed, so this should be interesting. Here we go. See, this kind of compacted snow is okay. I actually have a good amount of grip on that. It's when it's melting and slushy, that's when I have less grip. Also guys, I have an important announcement to make. Oh, let's do some off-roading. Or, you know, deep snow at least. Wow, the bike is just handling this like a champ. With the announcement, I want to make a new series on this channel where I review your guys' custom builds. I'm leaving a form in the description down below that for those interested you can fill out, upload photos of your bike, oh my god, and you can be featured on the channel. Oh my god, I'm fishtailing all over the place. But I'm going through about 3 inches of snow right now. This is something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was fun. Yeah, I didn't slide too much. Yeah, so the idea here is maybe every week or two I make a video of the top 5 custom builds that people submit to me. Because I would love to use this channel to highlight some of your builds. I see you guys in the comments always talking about your builds. You're very proud of them, and this is an opportunity to show it off. So if you guys are interested, definitely check out the link down below. Okay, but back to the snow adventure. I gotta get out of here now. Actually, you know what? Let's ride a bit more. This is actually a lot of fun. And the bike is handling it like a champ. Oh, and I slide a little bit as I say that. But that's all part of the fun. Man. This is so much fun. Can I go? Oh, I can go that way, I think. No? Yeah, I can see this is the trail. Now, just so you guys know, I'm not going fast in this condition, so I'm going like 10 miles an hour max. Oh, okay, the corner is tough. Not impossible though. Nice. You have to be extremely aware of your center of mass. Keep it in the middle of the bike. Boom, I just hit 14 miles an hour. Trailblazing. Whoa! Okay, I just hit something. Well, I'm having the time of my life. Okay, should I essentially end my journey or try and prolong it? Where else can I go? That might be all the off-roading we can do. I think there's a path. Yeah, there is one right here. Let's do it. Oh yeah. See, this really makes me want to get a Sur-Ron because it's just the next level above this. And I've been looking on the used market, and a used Sur-Ron might be in my future if I can get a solid deal on it, of course. Ooh. There we go. You gotta take the corners very slow. Oh! Oh! That was fun. Let's cut this corner. Hell yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh, snow just flew up in my face. That probably means the camera lens is covered. Hopefully that fixes it. And this is where I was previously. So you can see on my previous trail, I didn't slide too much. Yeah, not much at all. Just at this corner, I did a bit. You can see a few wipeouts there. Oh, man, this is deep snow. It's probably 4 inches right here. But no problem. I think I should make a new trail. Trying to go in my old trail has not proven to be effective. I might have done a few donuts there off camera. Ugh. See, my bike is super lightweight, and that's really giving me a lot of confidence right now, because when I begin to lose my balance and I slide, I could just easily regain it because my bike is so light. It really is a huge factor. Alright, but I think that's it for this zone. Okay, I think I'm going to head home now. That was a lot of fun. So remember guys, submit your custom e-bike builds. Link is down below. Fill out the form, submit some good, well-lit photos of your bike. You could even do a video of your bike, like walk around it. And if you want, you can talk. You don't have to talk though. And I'll take the top 5 submissions I get and turn it into my next video. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.